We're here today in Khan Yunisa, where we are starting phase 2 of the polio campaign. Right now you can see a lot of children taking the polio vaccines. We have mothers and fathers bringing children under 10 years, where we hope to reach over 300,000 children with vaccines to stop the polio transmission. As you can see, there are lots of children here, right here in Khan Yunisa, getting these vaccines. We are happy UNICEF is working with the Ministry of Health in collaboration with all partners to ensure these children get this very much needed vaccination.